guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to Learning with Ruvan. So today we're going to be playing another World Cup song because the World Cup 2026 is coming up soon. So we're going to be playing Waka Waka, this time for Africa, on piano. And also credits to Piano Nice for the tutorial here. Credit to him for me using this tutorial, shout out. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. So make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm actually going to be making two parts on the song. This is the first part, the beginning of the song, and I will be releasing the second part later about the rest of the song. So I will see you in the second part when I make it soon. Hopefully I can make it in a couple of days. So make sure to keep watching my videos. Maybe you'll learn something new from watching me. So make sure to like and subscribe once again. Credit to Piano Nice, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, and thank you for watching Learning with Ruvan.